India today hit 9 sites in Pakistan and Pakistan occupied Kashmir targeting terrorist infrastructure. The strike came 2 weeks after the Pahalgaon terror attack in which 26 people were killed. The Defence Ministry in a statement said a little while ago the Indian Armed Forces launched Operation Sindoor hitting terrorist infrastructure in Pakistan and Pakistan occupied Jammu and Kashmir, from where terrorist attacks against India have been planned and directed. Reactions from across the world started pouring in after India's attack against terror camps in Pakistan and Pakistan occupied Jammu and Kashmir prompted shelling from the neighboring country, with cross border tensions running high. China called for restraint from both India and Pakistan, expressing concern over the escalating tensions following Indian forces' Operation Sindoor against terror camps across the border on early Wednesday morning. In a statement issued by its Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Beijing said, and I quote, China expresses regret over India's military actions this morning and is concerned about the current developments. China opposes all forms of terrorism. We call on both India and Pakistan to prioritize peace and stability, remain calm and restrained, and avoid taking actions that further complicate the situation. After the launch, U.S. Secretary of State Marco Rubio spoke to NSA Ajit Doval and security advisors in Pakistan as well. He tweeted, I am monitoring the situation between India and Pakistan closely. I echo POTUS's comments earlier today that this hopefully ends quickly and will continue to engage both India and Pakistan leadership towards a peaceful resolution. United Nations Secretary General is very concerned about the Indian strikes in Pakistan against terror camps and called for maximum military restraint from both nuclear-armed Asian neighbors, his spokesperson said. Foreign Minister and Deputy Prime Minister of United Arab Emirates Abdullah bin Zayed Al Nahyan urged both India and Pakistan to exercise restraint, de-escalate tensions and avoid further escalations, the government said in a statement. Meanwhile, Israel's ambassador to India said in a statement that Israel supports India's right to self-defense. Posting on X, Azhar said, and I quote, Israel supports India's right for self-defense. Terrorists should know there is no place to hide from their heinous crimes against the innocent. #Operation Sindoor. This is a developing story, so stay tuned with the Indian Express.